Agronomy. The word comes from the Greek words agros, which means a field, and nomos, which means to manage. 1. It is the branch of agriculture that deals with the principles and practices of crop production and field management. 2. It is the application of the plant, soil, and related sciences to the improvement, production, and use of field crops. Because agronomists conduct most of their research in the field rather than in a greenhouse or laboratory. Agronomy is an applied science. As a result, he uses his knowledge to improve crop production. Furthermore, in applied science, every effort is made to improve man's physical comfort, primarily in the economic sense. This field of study, we can say, is critical to the future well-being of a hungry human race. Agronomy relies on the basic sciences of botany, plant physiology, biochemistry, genetics, ecology, plant pathology, entomology, soils, and other aspects that deal with plants. The field of agronomy is the application of these sciences to the production of field crops. For example, botany seeks to understand plants. Agronomy applies what is known about plants to the production of more or better plants, either for direct human consumption or indirect use and comfort. Agronomist. According to the dictionary definition, an agronomist is a college-trained specialist or someone who works in the theory and practice of field crop production and soil management. An agronomist is a scientist who studies crop production problems and develops better methods for producing food, fiber, and feed for man's animals. Types of agronomists. Agronomists are divided into 3 groups. Farmer. An individual engaged only in the practice of field crop production. A research agronomist is a scientist who uses the knowledge gained in college or university to research problems and develop new crop production techniques. Businessmen in fields related to agriculture. Functions or duties of an agronomist. 1. Using his knowledge and experience, increase the per acre yield of crops at a relatively low additional cost. 2. To improve the quality of food, feed, seed, and fiber crops grown in the field. 3. To use fundamental plant sciences to improve crop production and quality. 4. The agronomist is primarily concerned with the world's food supply. 5. To investigate the meteorological aspects of agricultural production and their impact. 6. To improve and conserve soil fertility to increase crop yields. 7. To instill a greater understanding of farming in public. 8. To apply scientific knowledge to agricultural practices. 9. Provide advice to farmers on the best crop growing techniques. 10. Combining knowledge from various sources to develop a crop production method. 11. To apply research findings to crop production issues. Scope of agronomy research. Plant breeders develop new varieties, which agronomists test and select. Agronomists also conduct research in water management, soil conservation and reclamation, seed production, and other production issues. This type of work has a lot of opportunities in agricultural colleges and universities. 2. Research organizations. 3. Soil conservation. 4. Reclamation department. Water management department. 6. Private agencies. Teaching. Agronomists can also work as professors at agricultural colleges and universities. Agricultural extension. Agronomists are in high demand by the Department of Agricultural Extension for agricultural technology transfer, or extension services. An agronomist's primary goal is to spread the message of modern agriculture to the farmer community. Agronomists are also employed by sugar mills, fertilizer and pesticide companies, and banks in their service departments. Management. Agronomists can work as managers in government, private farms, sugar mills, fertilizer and pesticide companies, and other agricultural departments. Sales. There has been a high demand for trained agronomists in the sales and distribution of fertilizers, insecticides, herbicides, and seeds. Law enforcement. Agronomy training prepares students for positions enforcing state or federal seed laws. In the Seed Certification Department, agronomists work as seed certification officers and in agriculture extension as cotton inspectors. Other job options include a land appraisal, crop estimating officer, and agricultural journalism.